Okay, little tip on the one-hand handstand. For the advanced people out there that I'm trying to do the one-hand handstand. The first thing is obviously to hold the handstand properly, shoulders, the scapula well out, shoulders practically covering your ear, or at least that's the idea. You have to push, and then what you're going to do, you're going to go into the handstand, and depending which one you balance, if you're going to balance on your left, you just start transferring the weight from the point of your feet a little bit, and then push the shoulder out, and that's it. That shoulder will move. That's it. That stay there. So you don't want to be playing around the shoulder in and out. You push, and that's what the shoulder should be. Okay, goes to here. The other thing I see people doing, is a big mistake, is just taking the hand too quick. Fingertip, hand, transfer the body weight, push at the same time. Basically, that happens at the same time. So you actually, from the point of your feet, you go up and push, and that shoulder goes in, okay? You don't do that and then push. They go almost at the same time. They go whoop, bap, and push, okay? You're gonna see that in a minute. Second thing, like I just said, fingertip on the no balancing hand, okay? Fingertip, and then you're gonna feel the weight. And when you're ready to take it out, don't take it all the way. Don't take it like that, because that is like the steering of the body. Whatever you do with that hand is going to interfere with the balance. So basically, you go fingertip, and then feel it there, and then take it out just a little bit to the side and leave it there. Okay. Then when you become when you practice and you get the sense of the balance on the balancing hand, you're going to be able to take it off without moving the rest of the body. Shoulders first. Shoulders. Okay. Here. Now going to start from top and shoulder. The shoulder is completely up. I'm pushing. I'm not like this. I'm pushing up, okay? If you can see that properly, so you go handstand, boop, and I go right in, okay? Now, see if you can see the whole body. And you see how I transfer the body weight from my feet first. I'm in handstand, then look what's going to happen to my feet. You see that? Very settled. Whoop and push. I'm going to do it with my legs slightly open so you can see a little bit better. Okay, and again. Okay, one finger. If you do that, that's going to take you all over. So, give it a go at that. Remember, handstand, shoulders right out, covering your ear. Start transferring the body weight from the top, from your feet, not from any other part of the body. So go, push, lock your elbow in. Lock your shoulder in. Elbow should be locked, obviously, and fingertip with the other hand. Don't take it off. Feel the balance. When you're comfortable, when you feel like you got the balance, take hand a little bit out. Not in one go. Have fun, and I will go a little bit more deep into that if you want to. Working on a tutorial. It's going to be a paid tutorial, but it's going to be quite solid. So have fun, practice that, and let me know how it goes. Ciao, acrobats.